Hello everyone, my name is Kevin and welcome back to another RAMShard server tutorial. Before we get started, be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Now in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to easily join your Bedrock Edition server. So getting started, you want to head to the control panel. And on the control panel, you'll find an option named server address. Go ahead and highlight the server IP and then copy it. Now head to the game. Then click servers. Then you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down and click add server. And there you can name the server whatever you want. And then in the server address option, paste the IP address. And then go back to the control panel. Then you'll find the colon, and then after the colon, highlight the numbers after that. And then paste it into the port option. Of course, removing the default port that's already in there. After you do that, click save. And after clicking save, you can enjoy your server. Thanks for watching.